Well, one person from a different cultural background whom I truly enjoy spending time with is Saleem, my classmate from Pahalgam, a beautiful town located in Jammu and Kashmir. He belongs to Muslim community and we become good friends when we were allotted the same hostel room during our university days. Initially, we just bonded over common subjects, but soon I realized he was a very cooperative, respectful, and kind hearted person. What impressed me most was his deep respect for other cultures and religions. Although we come from different religion and cultural backgrounds, we have never had any friction. In fact, we have had some really insightful discussions about each other's traditions and beliefs. While living together, I got the chance to learn a lot about Islamic customs and festivals, which I previously had very limited knowledge about. I also came to understand that many of the conflicts and misunderstandings between communities are often politically motivated rather than based on real issues. One of the most touching things he shared was how his family helped many Hindu families during 1947 partition. He often talks about how his elders always opposed any kind of communal hatred, which made me admire him even more. In recent years, his region has become a much more peaceful and welcoming place, and he has invited me to visit his home during the holidays. I am really looking forward to the experience as I believe such interactions help us grow not just as friends but as human beings. So now our follow-up questions. First question is it easy to meet people from different cultural backgrounds in your country? Yes, definitely. India is a highly diverse nation, and with globalization, educational institutions and workplaces are becoming increasingly multicultural, whether it's through universities, offices, or travel. It's quite easy to interact with people from various cultural and religious backgrounds. Next question. What do people from different cultural backgrounds usually talk about with each other? Typically, they discuss festivals, food, traditions, and family values. These conversations often start with curiosity and generally turn into deeper discussion about history, social customs, and even political opinions, leading to better understanding and mutual respect. Next question is it good to live in multicultural society? Absolutely. A multicultural society promotes tolerance, creativity, and open mindedness. When people from different cultures coexist, they bring their unique perspectives, which enrich the overall social fabric and make life more vibrant and inclusive. Fourth question is what are the advantages of being friends with people from different cultural backgrounds? There are many benefits. Firstly, it helps break down stereotypes and misconceptions. Secondly, you get to learn new languages, cuisines, and traditions. The most importantly, it teaches you empathy and global thinking, which are essential in today's interconnected world. Next question is why do people choose to travel or live abroad? People often go abroad for better educational or career opportunities. Some also do it for adventure, cultural exposure, or higher quality of life. In certain cases, people migrate to escape conflict and political instability in their home countries. Last question is what are the benefits of living in another country? Living in another country helps individuals become more independent and adaptive. They develop cross cultural communication skills and often gain a broader worldview. It also provides opportunities to learn new languages and understand global issues from a different perspective. So, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.